You may have heard that the US Congress is going to scrutinize Silvergate Capital Corp for its involvement in providing services to FTX, that is the controversial bank run by the young man who was on the run and was arrested. And also, in another development as well, Binance is also associated with this same Silvergate. It's saying that as of 2001, in the first quarter of 2021, rather, more than $400 million in total was transferred from the bank account in Silvergate to Merit Peak, a trading firm whose manager is Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao. Okay, flows from the account to Merit Peak began in late 2020. Okay, that's what they're saying, and we know that the stock retraced in the session of the 17th of February 2023. In this today is 20th, and there's a holiday in the US, so the markets are not open. So given all of that, we have been able to determine statistically that the probability of SI stock dropping below its 20-day moving average is around 77%. I guess that is largely because of the fact that it has run up. It's trading at a premium to that 20-day moving average, and also the standard deviation is relatively what it is. It's around 2. This 2 is a standard deviation of the stock over the last 20 trading sessions. So if you mix up all of those figures, you may find out that statistically that the probability of it dropping below its 20-day moving average, its 20-day moving average is around $16.56, and it's closed the post-market session of 17th of February at 18.06. So the probability of it dropping below $16.56 around 77%. So the probability of it staying above it is 23%. But this doesn't mean that that's what is going to happen. It doesn't mean that that's what's going to happen fundamentally. It doesn't mean that's what's going to happen. It's just what the stock is facing right now. And we all know very well that US regulators are cracking down on crypto firms, and Silvergate is definitely associated with crypto assets. So we have upper projection of $24.74, downward projection of $1.82, nothing in between. There's a huge upper projection of $85.03. Yes, at some point it was there. At some point in September of last year, it was at $85.03. So the algos are saying that it's still in play, given all that is going on. In the broad sense of it all. Congress is scrutinizing. The SEC is cracking down. The state of New York is also doing the same thing as well. But algos are definitely, they pick up what's going on in the news, but it's not the algos in this case are not phased at all. So there are a lot of things. The Fibonacci projections are so wide apart. You can see it 5.03 and 25, roughly 25.09, and then down here we have 1.82. But let's look at the 1-minute live chart. Obviously nothing's going on right now. The market is closed. We have it has a downward projection. This is pretty much in line with probably what we have determined. So the algos are not projecting anything upwards. So it's projecting 18.01. Remember, our 20-day moving average is 16.56. So we have another downward projection of 17.80, 17.71. Okay, we have down here at 17.24. Okay, so see what you make of SI stock. I think let's see, SI stock. We rely on daily the daily algo, the algo on the algos on the algo on its daily chart? I don't think we can. Maybe we can. It's not $25 is not so much, not so far from where it is, not so far from where it is, you know. But at the same time, as well, as I pointed out, the company is facing a lot of challenges, you know. So let's see. Let's stick with a projection of $25.09, and thank you very much for watching this video.